being a designer in government, I'm sure. If you want to engage with them, they're going to be in the cafe. We are going to quickly change this room out for the closing session. We're going to have John Paul Farmer, one of the sponsors, say some words, and then we're going to hopefully extract from you the last bit of energy that you have, so that way you can help us build a better roadmap, essentially a better policy document to advocate for the types of services that you've seen, the ideas that you've been able to engage in. We need to get that into the people's roadmap, so that way we have 4 years of solid advocacy ahead of us. If you see any cans, you see any cups, that would be greatly appreciated, and we hope to see you back in this room in 15 minutes. So thank you very much.